Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The Pan-American Health Organization, PAHO, is warning of an upsurge in dengue cases in the Americas, including Barbados and the French islands of Martinique and Guadeloupe. It says as of March 26 this year, over 3.5 million cases and more than 1,000 deaths have been reported in the region. This is cause for concern as it represents 3 times more cases than those reported for the same period in 2023. A record here with more than 4.5 million cases reported in the region, said PAHO Director Jarbas Barbosa. My viewers and subscribers, so basically the Pan-American Health Organization is warning the upsurge dengue cases that is going on. Listen, remember in the other day when you hold up a young baby then they dead out, okay, and it costs because of dengue. Remember, all right. What Christopher Tufton and Andrew Owens need to do now is start right now to put things in place. Make sure that all the nurses and doctors have protective gear. And that they need to do. Start put things in place. You understand? Not because, reach in a Jamaica yet is in the Caribbean. My viewers and subscribers. And these are the things where I would like them to implement. You understand? Make sure, say, they have protective gears. And that's one thing they don't have. They don't have the protective equipment. You get me? And these are the things they need to put in place. I would like them to do that. The time where you see some of them are going to talk about, them are going to do this and do that and come up. And these are the things they need to talk about, the ministers. And as I said, in a them budget, I not hear them mention nothing about healthcare. I'm sure no say they must know about this. The health minister have to know about this. I mean, I hear them mention nothing. You understand? We don't need to get resources for the hospital them and for the clinic them too. We have to make sure so we have resources and we have equipment. Make sure say we start expand the hospital because some hospital claim that they have a lot of beds, but they do not have the space. So what the government need to do is come now and expand the hospital them. You understand? Remember, the people them health come first. Which I know, say Christopher Tufton no care. Him no care none at all. You get me? Him no care none whatsoever. Because if him did care, the hospital then would have protective gear. You understand? And that's what them not have. So, what I would like them to do right now is to make sure so them order all these things from early in case you have to be prepared. You have to be prepared. So I don't know what kind of health minister is Christopher Tufton. It's true because he's not a real doctor, my viewers and subscribers. People is not understanding. Christopher Tufton must have doctorate in some business or marketing. You understand? Area. He's not a medical doctor. He's not a doctor. And some people get it confused. A lot of people don't understand. When I hear them as a doctor this, doctor that, it doesn't mean that they're a doctor. I don't know why. All that there's something that they need to cut it out to and stop calling them doctor because them are a real doctor. Because it confuse a lot of people. You understand me? It's confusing. And I don't understand why Andrew Owens would choose to put Christopher Tufton as a health minister. Just because they call him doctor. When he's not a real doctor, he's just a business marketing doctor. He's a doctor the money. My viewers and subscribers may have to laugh sometime. This is a man a doctor, the marketing strategy. At that him doctor, the business part of things. Him not busy with nothing where they on the ground. This is why I say Horace Chang is a medical doctor. It would be much better if they put Horace Chang as the health minister, because he is actually a medical doctor. So him we know more. But me don't know them do things upside it down and around the corner. And you have to understand, they more cater about the business part. You see, the theory part of things, the business part, are that them care about. Because so the business always deal with the money. So that them care about. They don't care about the practical. They don't care about the practical. And right now, you see, the PAHO said about the dengue, we need to take this serious. This is a serious matter. And Jamaica not wait till when it reach, because I remember when the dengue thing did come out, man, in a other day, about 3 years ago or something like that, or 2 years ago, and a lot of kids was dying. You understand? And they were all hiding it. They were all hiding it. You understand? They were all making it look like you put it in and dead from dengue. You understand me? So I want the Minister of Health to do the right thing for the Jamaican people. And Jamaican people only need to get up off on a backside and go demonstrate. Demonstrate. When you see things not done right, you fi demonstrate. You don't just sit down and say, sure, me can't bother you, man, because me make my own money. One day it go affect you. It affect your brothers and sisters, not because it's not affecting you guys. You know what I mean? So none of it come together as one. We're all one. You understand? And not because it not affect you now. You know what I mean? So it not gonna affect you later. You get me? So none of it just come together and unite as one. And I'm going to say it again. Please, I am asking them. This is a serious matter. Maybe you not reach a Jamaica yet. You not feel serious. Listen. Want to take this up on hand and make sure so you get the proper equipment. So what happened 2 years ago, no come back and happen again. My viewers and subscribers, want to tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. There's seemingly widespread misunderstanding of the meaning of conflict of interest, especially as it relates to public officials, where the relevant conflict is one of duty and interest. Once an MP is elected, he and she has a constitutional right to be appointed speaker, regardless of his or her relatives' elected offices. There's no interest held by the speaker because of her marital status that conflicts in any way with the performance of her official duties. My viewers and subscribers, I'm not sure. I read this in the article just now, I just come out. So I don't know if the article take this upon themselves to write it, or a Juliet said that, because them never say a Juliet said. So I don't know if them just write it and I say, because even if a family member is appointed to be speaker, not a wife of a prime minister, that not happen nowhere. Remember, uno same one. So when people in a workplace, you cannot have a husband and wife working in the same place. And that uno always say. Uno always say people have to follow rules and regulation. It would be a conflict of interest if husband and wife differently. If the husband and wife business, you understand? If them a business owner, that is totally different. But if you're working for a government, it is not right. No husband, no wife cannot work in the same area. You understand me? No husband and wife cannot work in the same area. Even if you have, all right. Let me give you an example. If you have a doctor, yeah? Okay, so the husband a doctor, the wife a doctor, yeah? The two of them cannot work in the same area. They can work in the same field, but if they're in the department, they cannot work in the same department. They must work in a different department at different hospital. And so me know it go. You understand me? So me know it go. So me not understand. And now up here so them write, no conflict, just poor performance. This is what the paper put out, the Gleaner put out. Them say no conflict, just poor performance. So wait there. Poor performance. So we know if we have sympathy with Juliet Holness because of her poor performance, yeah? Yeah, so we if you have sympathy, with Juliet, and Juliet now want have sympathy with Valerie Curtis. Yeah, remember she threw Valerie underneath the bus, Miss Curtis underneath the bus. So Miss Curtis fault. So she no want have no sympathy with Miss Curtis of poor performance, but we if you have sympathy with she. It is not, listen, I don't know poor performance. It's a trick them a come up with, my viewers and subscribers. When you hear what me tell you now, it is a trick. I don't know poor performance. It is a trick because let me tell you now why. I watch House of Parliament all the time. Anytime opposition leaders stand up and I ask question or I say something, I explain something to them, the first thing Juliet always draw for is legislation. You understand? On laws. She always say, I'm following the law. I'm following the legislation. I'm at number 35A. I'm at number 31B. And I know poor performance. She know what she do. So nobody blame nothing about, me tell you what them a try to do, my viewers and subscribers. Them a try to say she don't know the legislation. She know the legislation. And if she never know the legislation, she shouldn't be in that position because she not ready yet. She not ready yet. You understand me? That means that she need more training. She need more training. So she fi step down. You understand? So now the matter, listen, this woman know the legislation. My wisdom warriors, them delay the report deliberately. You hear what me say? She know exactly what she's doing. She know exactly what she is doing. So on a stop come talk about it is not no, it is conflict of interest. It is because right now they're on the journey for Jamaica to be a republic. And Uno said the position was she in her. If Jamaica go be turn republic, and Andrew Owenless win election, Andrew Owenless I go be the president and she go be the prime minister, and that go happen. And then Jamaica go just be family, one big happy family affairs, and that go happen. And we don't want that to happen. Because when that happen, you know, Lord Jesus, if me ever start chat, sometimes I not like touch pan the picnic them, you notice me never talk about them kids yet. Never. But me have to go say something now. If you not make this a woman a step down, my viewers and subscribers, Jamaican people, it is a plan, and you always want to be the president of Jamaica, which them start the journey of Jamaica be republic. When Andrew Owenless be president, she is going to be the prime minister. Look out on the eye and look out on the ears. Hear what me I say? Look out on the kulu ears, because of that we have to do right now. And that we just have to do right now. You understand? Because the whole of them just go back here. Yeah? And then now, when she be the prime minister, them are going to be big family business. So Jamaica go just be this big family business, yeah? And then what go happen now? Then Pitney go come in now. Then Pitney go join the politics, because uno see him on a chat about family this and family can do that and family can do that. Yeah? When in Pitney then come in now, one go be finance minister. Al Nigel Clark, your foot go get kicked right off. Yeah? One go be health minister and one go be finance minister. I'm sorry for no. I'm sorry for no if you not get up and do something about this. So no, do not listen to foolishness. It is conflict of interest. This is why Andrew Owenless storm out the House of Parliament. That is part of it. That is a big part of it, because emotional take over, because his wife, he was upset about what Mark Golden was saying about his wife. You have to understand, he have emotions. You get what I mean? So this is conflict of interest. So anytime Juliet Owenless come out and attack anything, if nobody stand up, if any MP stand up and say nothing, it will hurt his feelings. So it has to be a conflict of interest. You can't have a prime minister and his wife a House of Parliament. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. So I don't stop talk about she don't know the legislation, and she don't know she know the law. Cause every day she in a House of Parliament, a pure that she draw for. And so she don't know law, but she amend legislation. How she don't know law and she don't know legislation, but she out here amending legislation. Are you guys being serious? Me watch House of Parliament, no for uno no watch that. Uno only wait till mainstream media bring it to Uno, but me watch it. She ever in the legislation. So a trick them come up with, you understand? It's a plan. My viewers and subscribers, it is a plan. She know exactly what she's doing. She was just saving the Jamaica Labour Party from the whole embarrassment. You understand? She never want nobody know about what was in the report. So she wait till after general election. And she still never want nobody know. You understand? This is why she send it back. We are not idiot around here. You can't fool up some little idiot people, but you can't fool people with wisdom up. Never. Because we see right through Uno. We see right through you, Juliet. Bright and out of order. But it is not conflict of interest. I want to Uno. What I mean it is not conflict of interest. Eh? What I mean? So no one Jamaica. So no one. No. This is going to be a family thing. You think it's easy? Seriously, me not understand. So the husband and wife I go take over Jamaica. Then them pitney I go come in. Me rotted. Me sorry for Uno. You see? Uno fi wise up, and have sense. It is a conflict of interest. And she need to step down. And what she do? She need to get fire for that. What she do? How comes nobody not say nothing about it? Me glad Mark Golding them. Me glad Julian Robinson and all of them I go take her to court. Yes, them fi take her to court. This fi go in a court. What she do? She know what she do is wrong. She ain't a baby. She full of be a chat when she ready, you know. When he ready, switch off microphone for Mark Golding, you know. So no stop going like she a baby around here, you know. Because she know the legislation. She know exactly what she was doing. She know exactly what she's doing. So when you have a whole heap of them come out and talk about PNP, it's not about PNP. This is about Jamaica. When you come out and chat about a PNP I do this and a PNP I can't talk about conflict of interest. And I know PNP I do nothing. A Jamaican people don't want them. Because we know what is their plan. We know what their strategy. We know what them up to. You get me? We know what them up to, my viewers and subscribers. And all these things is not right. It is unacceptable. And the earlier Jamaican people realize it better for we. It better on the can just sit down. Just sit down, so. Just sit down and do nothing. And make them get away with everything. Mark Golding come out and say, boom, court. You don't need to touch the road. Mark Golding have to tell you to touch the road. Come on, man. If you don't love Jamaica, if you don't love Jamaica and want best to Jamaica, you don't touch the road. I want them to, you come like you don't see what go on. Them are people that ought to take over Jamaica and run it like they own. You go get frig. You go get frig. You don't get frig already. You don't get frig already with the healthcare system. You see they don't care. And you run up and down behind Andrew Holness. You mad set of people somehow. You me just not understand. You come like you don't have no understanding, no knowledge or what. You go read for yourself. I see some people come under my comment section too. I talk bad and I say, Mark Golding I tell lie. Idiots, we come under my comment section. You go do your own research. You go do your own research and have some sense. Because of pure propaganda the JLP them has spread. Pure propaganda. You understand me? My wisdom warriors, don't tell me what you think. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.